With the recent addition of the TOPDON EV Rescue, TOPDON is truly changing the industry when it comes to portable EV charging. As you can see, we have a brand new EV Rescue here. Let's unbox this and show you what's inside. The crate will have many of the sides nailed together and screws on one side and on the perimeter. We'll remove those screws to be able to gain access to the unit. Once all the perimeter screws are out and the front is off, we can simply lift the box off of the unit. When you receive your EV Rescue, remove all the packaging from the device. You may notice that the stickering may be different. Contact TOPDON support for your complete sticker package. The EV Rescue weighs in at just under 400 pounds. To remove it from the pallet, make sure you use a buddy. When you receive your EV Rescue, you'll notice that there are multiple connection points on the front of your unit. Our first two are going to be for 120 15 amp input. This is how we actually charge our system. We can charge off of one or two separate circuits to charge our battery pack even faster. We have USB charge, and the next one is going to be a 120 volt 20 amp plug for any of your 120 20 amp service. Our next option is going to be a NEMA L14-20. This is going to be a plug just like you would see on a normal generator. This gives us the ability to produce 220 volts at 20 amps. This will be the connection point for your EV charger as well. This battery pack is a 5.6 kilowatt hour unit, and it gives us a 4,800 watt continuous use. So we're going to get a lot of use out of this battery and a lot of life cycles. When it comes to connecting your EV charger to your EV Rescue, the TOPDON solution gives you multiple options. On our Pulse Q unit, we give you the option to build a new cable directly from your EV charger. You can then build your cable with that NEMA L14-20 plug, or we automatically come with a NEMA L14-50. You can buy adapter cables as well to be able to go from a NEMA L14-50 to a NEMA L14-20, which will plug directly into your EV Rescue. TOPDON gives you multiple options when it comes to choosing your EV charger and your EV connection.